I'm Vikramaditya and welcome to Jade SOFTECH. In this session, we're going to discuss about what exactly is SAP OOPS ABAP. So, OOPS ABAP is a synonym for object-oriented programming in ABAP. So, we all know SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Products. OOPS is object-oriented programming, and ABAP stands for Advanced Business Application Programming. So, this stands in a very special position in the entire ABAP world, wherein like object-oriented programming is having so much of significance, and we have so many concepts that we have to explore. And I'll try to make all these options that we have in ABAP in object-oriented programming ABAP as interesting as possible in this series, where I'm going to post every day one video on object-oriented programming, and it would be fun to learn about all these concepts, and it's very important for us to understand all these concepts. Now, here I'm just going to start off with what exactly is object-oriented programming in a very simple way. Object-oriented programming is a programming language in which we define a particular functionality, and we develop a particular application in within a class. So let's say I have to display the data in the form of a ALV, ABAP list viewer. I don't actually have to build everything from the scratch. The look and feel of the output need not be created by me. I just have to call a class which actually does that. And SAP has built millions of classes which are standard classes which we can make use of in our programs, and then get that functionality that we actually want for the client. So, object-oriented programming is very popular mainly because it reduces our effort to build some new functionality, because it's already been built in the class. All that you have to know is which class needs to be called in which program or which area, so that that functionality is being achieved, which we are going to tell you for the client. So, this is a very interesting concept, and I would like to take up one topic on each day, and I'm going to go it in a very sequential way, and you can go through this and learn the object-oriented programming, and you can become the expert of it. Thank you, and looking forward to be with you all. And please do subscribe to this channel so that you can get all the updates of my videos being posted in the future. And do like our videos and share it with your friends as well. It can help them. Thank you. Have a great day.